Adam Costello here. I'm going to talk a little bit about the breathe, brace, bow concept and how to create stability using your breath to allow your hips to move and stabilize the torso and the spine. So first thing we're going to do is put our hand on the belly, hand on the chest, and you're going to try and expand that belly, keeping that chest kind of last or not expanding or rising up. A lot of times this is what happens. We want to go big belly. That may take some practice, especially if you're really tense up through here, but you have to work with it. That's going to allow you to create more pressure and stabilize the spine. So then from here, I'm going to put my fingers in between my six-pack and my obliques. I'm going to set my shoulder blades down and back. I'm going to tighten my low back a little bit without really arching, so just a little tight. Big breath, and then I'm going to tighten up my stomach too. So I'm creating this basically a belt, but to stabilize the spine, and then relax. And so I should be able to push against here and have nothing really happen. Good. Next part of that, once you practice and start to feel that, is integrate. And then you're going to basically karate chop your hips into position. So now I'm going to that hinge position. So here, breath, brace, hinge. And so I'm having those hips come back with a soft bend in my knee. And so my low back is not finding that range of motion, or I'm not overextending. It's stable, boom, back in that position. The next drill that really helps is you add PVC, touches back your head between your shoulder blades and your tailbone. And I have the back bottom hand is actually going to touch, keep that down. You can use the thumb to feel the spacing. That spacing shouldn't move, it should stay the same. So breath, brace, bow. Good. Now when you're doing movement repetitions and not like one rep maxes, you're going to have to continue to breathe through that. So you can practice breathing through that tension. So hopefully you find that useful. Keep playing with it, see how it integrates and helps you in all movement, not just lifting, and enjoy. Okay, so we're going to build this together with that brace and bow. Start to build in some of that awareness and activation component using the upper body to press your hips into the back position. Make sure you do not sacrifice your low back positioning for more of a hamstring stretch or driving your hips back. From there, just keep using that breath to stabilize and then move under control.